Hello everyone, today we are going on an adventure.
Let's go!
Pizza. Here you can see my offering in return, Froggy chair. I've got some homemade, they're supposed to be biscuits, but they came out more like cake because I am shit at baking. We've got Kermit the Frog Pez dispenser and also some packs of, it's hard to see, but some pears in there as well. Boy, I come with a trade deal. Frog for frog.
Frog for frog.
Frog for frog. Oh my god, it's so fucking big. I wasn't expecting this. Fuck.
Frog for frog.
Ta-da! So I have here Froggy chair package. My hair is so shit. Froggy chair package. It's got Finn's address expertly blacked out because he is a lad. Fun fact, this was actually a birthday present. I turned 20 in February 1st, and now it is June, because first it came from China, so it took ages to get here, and then coronavirus hit, so he couldn't actually give me my birthday present, and then I'm a depressed sack of shit, so it sat on the floor of my room for a really long time, so now we're finally unboxing Froggy chair. So let's get to it. Let's. Ooh. I could do with some scissors or something, but you know. Bubble wrapped for Froggy chair's protection. He is one safe boy. Thick plastic ribbing, which I've never really seen on bubble wrap before. Ugh. Brilliant. Let me see Froggy chair. I want to see my little boy. I'm so close. I can see the green through the bubble wrap, but I can't actually get to him. Finn, what have you gotten me into? Yes! Yes. We did it, boys. Okay. Oh, I can feel. Oh. Yes. Yes. Behold. Froggy chair. Ooh. Yes. You know, it's actually somewhat bigger than I was expecting. Finn was like, it's a toddler chair, so I was expecting it to be smaller, but then thinking about it, I don't really know how big a toddler is. Here he is, my friend and boy, the Froggy chair. Nice folding frame so he can be easily put away. I don't know where I'm going to keep this, in all honesty. This Froggy has leggies and some nice eyes. Can I fit in the Froggy chair? Here we go. Fuck! Look! We fucking sitting, boys! We're living in 2039 with our Froggy chairs. I'll have to show you all my camera setup someday because it's just my phone and some sort of like bag insert. I think it's like some sort of like divider or something. So yeah, we only have the highest budget shit here on Greyhound at youtube.com. Found a use for Froggy chair. Yeah, I don't really have any room to put him in the chair in my room, but you know, it's Eric's now, I'm gonna give it to him. Don't say I never give you anything, buddy, because here's the proof I'm giving you this. Don't talk to me, my shitty roommate, or my shitty roommate's smaller shitty roommate ever again. What is this video? What is the point of this? What is the point? Why did I do this? Fuck. Here is a closer look at the Froggy chair. He's got some paint cracking, which is really great. Look at that. Superb engineering. Yeah, I mean, Froggy chair himself is quite cute. He don't look too bad. He's got nice pink cheeks and big eyes and, you know, not bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do with this? What? Finn, what have you got me into? In conclusion, Froggy chair is pretty dope. A great addition to any home, Animal Crossing or not. Why do I always burp in my videos? I don't think I can really comment on how much it cost because I don't think Finn said. I don't remember. I think he might have said it was about 26 quid, but I'm not 100% on that. I think you probably could buy this for a toddler. I mean, it supports my fat ass, so that's pretty impressive. I feel like that says something as to like the quality of it, even with the paint chips. But yeah, so overall, I'm actually pretty pleasantly surprised by Froggy chair. Yeah, I don't think there's much more I can say about this. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry, this video is completely unscripted, so I don't know what I'm doing. Peace. Quick post-video update in trying to store Froggy chair on top of my wardrobe. He's kind of broken my helmet's antenna. Holy shit. Luckily I can just glue it back on so it's not the end of the world, but end of the world, haha. But well, this fucking sucks.